One of the biggest science misconceptions that people have is that all insects are bad. Believe it or not, that's not the case. A lot of insects might annoy us and cause many problems, such as eating our food, transmitting disease, stinging or biting, feeding on people and animals, damaging wood structures, and more. But even the scariest looking insects do good things for us. Take bees, for example. Many people think bees are bad because they can sting us, but they actually can help us too. Bees are pollinators, so they carry a powder called pollen from one flower to another. The pollen then fertilizes or feeds the flowers, which allows them to make seeds and fruit. Without insects like bees to pollinate plants, there would be no good fruits. Have you ever heard of honeybees? Well, honeybees produce honey, and so many people eat this delicious honey around the world. Other insects that people might think are bad are ladybugs. Ladybugs might look a little scary with all of their spots, but they actually are famous for eating a lot of pests that are bad for plants. Ladybugs help plants live because they may eat 500 aphids before they even grow up. Aphids harm plants by sucking out their juices. Silkworms, or caterpillars, are other insects that people think are harmful. Silkworms may seem harmful, but they actually use their silk to make cocoons before turning into moths. This is the silk we use to make silk cloth. Beetles are also insects that may seem harmful. Beetles may seem bad because they can be annoying and can sometimes stick to your shirt, but types of beetles called dung beetles actually help cattle farmers. Dung beetles feed on animal waste and get all of their nutrients from the material. Waste left out for too long attracts disease, so farmers depend on them to clean it up fast. By getting rid of waste, dung beetles save farmers an estimated $380 million every year. Now do you see why not all insects are harmful? Many may seem bad and scary, but they do so many things to help us. So the next time you see an insect, don't run away. Because insects make our world a better place.